Hello my wonderful meow meows, hope you're all doing well. As suggested by Lichagon here, today I'm going to give you a little tour of my room. Thanks for the suggestion, Lichagon.
First, I thought I'd show you all my desk. As you can see by my computer, I am an avid sticker collector. This is the tripod I record all my TikToks on, and I also use it to record my face with my VR tuber. My headphones are definitely on their last leg, I need a new pair soon. As you can see, I have a lot of posters. Among these posters on this wall, I put up different bits of gift art that I've gotten from my friends over the years. By looking at this wall, you can tell I had a very big Edward obsession as a kid. Lots of Edward posters. I've run out of space to put all my posters up on my wall, so just recently I've started putting them up above my bed here. I only very recently just moved my bed here. It used to be more in the centre of the room here, but I moved it so I have more space to walk around. Whoa, look at all that space. This is the desk where I keep all my plushies and all my funny little anime figures and amiibos. And also some paper frogs that I made for some reason. Ribbit. Down here's my bookcase. It's mainly comic books. I haven't read a novel in like a good year. And above my bookcase you can see the continuation of my sticker collection here. And around the side here too. Up there's where I keep my suit, and I don't know what else to show you, so I'm gonna do a 360. Whoa. Ugh, that made me dizzy.